Hi, I'm Tim from AutoZone. Today we're going to talk about the signs of a bad ignition coil, a key component in your engine. An ignition coil plays an important role in supplying high voltage to the spark plugs for ignition. If you have a faulty ignition coil, your engine's not going to run properly, sometimes not start, and usually always throw a check engine light. So it's important to know how to identify bad ignition coil symptoms, so let's get started. In most vehicles, a faulty ignition coil is going to throw a check engine light. In that case, you'll need to have it checked with an OBD2 diagnostic scanner or go to AutoZone for our free Fix Finder service. If an ignition coil is not working properly, your engine will likely have a misfire. A misfiring engine results in a jerking or sputtering feeling when you're moving at normal speeds, and at idle, it's going to be shaky or not stable. When you stop, a misfire from an ignition coil may cause your vehicle to run roughly, shake, or vibrate. To run, your engine needs a spark at the right time. If a spark plug is not getting the right voltage to create a spark, you may experience a hard start. This means that the ignition coil isn't working properly, and the problem is more common with engines that have a single ignition coil. Ignition coils can either fail completely or fail intermittently. This means that you may have a coil that goes bad over time, and even if your vehicle seems to be performing normally, decreasing gas mileage is a sure sign that something's wrong. Vehicles with bad ignition coils will run roughly. This means that when your vehicle is idling, you may notice a rough feel or sound. Your vehicle may also experience a drop in power. As a result, a bad ignition coil can make acceleration more sluggish, and the vehicle may even stall. A backfire is a loud bang that happens when unburned fuel suddenly escapes into the exhaust system. This shouldn't happen. While there are a few causes for backfires, a failing ignition coil is often a common one. If you do not address backfires quickly, they can lead to significant engine damage. To keep your vehicle running well, you'll need ignition coils that function properly. Watch for bad ignition coil symptoms, and if you have any more questions, head to your local AutoZone to help you get the right ignition coil for your car. To learn more about car care, watch more of our channel and be sure to like and subscribe below.